Now, folks, look at SharperTrades. The market is extending today after breaking all-time high on Friday. Today going to 619.22. That's the SPY SPX. I went to 620, 6,200. Very powerful. Combination of things. Apple got a push into the close. Let's see. Apple, there we go. It's something related to AI. They're so behind with their AI, but they're planning to buy things to help them get at least somewhere near Google and not even close to where Microsoft is. But they're using third parties' help to power Siri and whatever. So anyway, this has been the help that propelled the market to go higher. So good news on Apple, and that's lifting the market as well. So that's the SPY with a support ATMA 603, and then below that 595 and 587. The next targets 620, we're getting there, $1 shy, and then 629 and 637. 17 are the targets. Bull, keep an eye on this one. Good base above 10. I like this formation. This company is not even close to what Robinhood is, but there are some aspects, there are similarities. So this has potential to extend. As a resistance, targets, so we got 13, 14, 1550, 1650, and then 18 and 1950. Support is today low, and then further down at 10. CIFR, this company is a crypto miner, and big volume the past 2 days, including today. And broke out of the 200 simple moving average, and 460 resistance is a swing. We're looking for 530 and then 620 and 710. Support is, let's see, 430 and 4. SOUN breakout option activity. Susan posted in the channel, option channel. I saw it later after my posting. Bullish kicker with volume 1150, 1250, 1360, and then 15. Support is today low, and then further down is the 50 SMA. Looks good. I think wants to go short squeeze, as Susan mentioned. STNE is a swing that give a little bit of a pullback through here, but a good reversal with volume on Friday, extending today. I like this move. First target is 1620. Then we're looking for 18 and 20. Support, for now we'll keep them the same, 1450, 1480 and 14. 1480 and 14. Actually, I'm going to tighten a little bit. So let's go for the ATMA, that's 1520 and 1450. Yeah, I like it better. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.